Hi, I'm Jim Monk and welcome to How to Look for the Best Life Insurance Rates. I'm really excited to be sharing this information with you, and I'll tell you about it in just a couple of minutes. So here's what we've got, what you'll discover in this little video we've put together. First, number one, 5 tips to the best insurance rates. 2, what to do when you have this information. And 3, what to be thinking about. So you might be asking yourself, who am I? Well, I've had 10 years of experience in the life insurance and health insurance space. I've helped thousands of families out, very much like yours. And I've had the ability to running one of the most successful insurance agencies in the country, and have been basically established in 42 states with over thousands of employees. So I've had the ability to sit across the dinner table or the desk and discuss a lot of questions that individuals have just like you. So one of the things that you're going to want to be thinking about here is when you're looking at the consumer or yourself, and you're looking at what is important about finding the best life insurance rates, first and foremost, look for a reputable company. You need to make sure that it is a company that's reputable, that's going to stand behind you and stand behind that policy if something happens. So that's a critically important thing. Get at least 3 quotes, is number 2. So when you start going out there and shopping, one of the biggest mistakes consumers make is that they will purchase the first life insurance or insurance policy with the first company they've come to. And from our experience, one of the best things you can do is shop at least 3 to 4 carriers. Number 2 is most insurance requires that you answer health questions. So I get this question a lot: is do I have to answer these questions? The answer is yes. If you really want life insurance to get the best rate, you need to answer the medical questions and answer them truthfully. Additionally, they may require blood being drawn to look for everything from diabetes, drugs, whether or not you're a smoker or non-smoker, and so forth. While you're at it, there might be the capability of them asking for medical records for verification that you're telling the truth on the application. So again, just take these in consideration. This is going to help you find the best rate, and that's the most important thing. When you're out there shopping for life insurance, get the competitive rates as we discussed. From multiple carriers with coverage options. So you're going to want to look at everything from an apples to apples comparison, or as close to it. And not all carriers or not all insurance carriers are alike. So you want to get all the information that you can on a few policies and then make an educated decision. Number 4 is going to be timing. Timing is important. A lot of times people want to rush getting a life insurance policy for various reasons. But just know that it's going to take you 2 to 4 months from beginning to end if we're looking at a fully underwritten product, one that's going to have blood drawn, medical records being requested, and so forth. Also, know how much coverage you need. I get this question a lot as well, is know how much coverage you need. A lot of times, the family or the individual that's acquiring or looking to buy life insurance will say, well, how much coverage do I need? Is there a formula? Well, there's a lot of different formulas out there, but the most important thing is really customizing a plan that's going to work for you. There are so many different variables that play into it, such as, survivorship. Are you wanting to leave your spouse set up very well so that they don't have to go out and look for a career or go back to college to get the skills necessary to go find a job? 2, do you have children? Is that going to be a burden, on the family, or is it going to be a challenge to raise them? Do you have a special needs child? How much debt do you have? So when you're really sitting down, put the pencil to the paper and think about all the things that if something happened to you today or immediately your revenue were to stop, what that would mean, and then start figuring out what those numbers are. So I'm hoping that you guys found this informative. If you're looking for a competitive, non-biased quote, check out our website, TritusInsurance.com. Thanks a ton for checking us out. And additionally, if you want to check out some of our other videos or about insurance questions or topics, again, look on TritusInsurance.com or on some of the video sites out there. Thanks a lot.